This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sherry Iverson. Country paradise in town. Custom-built family residence situated on 2.5 acres located west of I-75 with no HOA or CDD. Huge detached workshop/garage perfect for car collectors or hobbyists. Roof replaced in 2022 and AC replaced in August 2024. Inviting two-story design with cedar siding and ceiling beams, 2 stone fireplaces and enormous front and back porches to relax and enjoy the peaceful setting. Mature oak trees frame the property and provide a natural canopy of shade. Spacious kitchen in the center of the home opens to both the living and dining rooms, creating an easy flowing floor plan with plenty of room for family gatherings. Bedrooms are all good size, and most open out to a screened-in deck with serene treetop views. Rustic charm and character abound with wood and stone accents, built-in window seats, a laundry chute, and even a quirky old-fashioned phone booth. Grand foyer entry. Attached 2-car garage and giant detached workshop with an RV hookup on site too. Bring all your toys. Huge utility room plus storage area. Ideal work from home setup. This is a rare opportunity. Come and enjoy the luxury of peaceful privacy with acreage in close proximity to shopping, dining and easy access to I-75. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.